On August 26, 1997, the Near-Earth Asteroid Tracking Program captured a glimpse of something peculiar, a tiny speck hurtling through space between Mars and Jupiter, too elliptical in its orbit, too speedy for any comet, and yet bearing none of the hallmarks of asteroids that pepper our solar system, initially labeled simply 1997 XF11. It was later dubbed Oumuamua. For the first time in human history, we'd identified an interstellar visitor, a rock hailing from another star system. Astronomers were in awe, yet amidst the jubilation, a few saw something different, something that set them apart from the crowd, something that forever altered their perception of the universe at the heart of the solar system, between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies a region known as the asteroid belt, a vast expanse strewn with rocky leftovers from the solar system's formation. It's here that One-Eye Muamua's journey began, or perhaps more accurately, continued. Unlike most objects in this belt, Muamua was not bound by gravity to the sun. Its path was a straight line, a trajectory, that spoke of distant origins and unwavering purpose. Was it a hunk of rock thrown from a distant planet? A rogue comet escaping its system's embrace, or something crafted to navigate the cosmos unimpeded? What became evident over time was that this was no ordinary interloper. Its acceleration was unusual, hinting at an energy source beyond mere gravity. Was it powered, guided, controlled, or merely exhibiting a phenomenon we were yet to comprehend? But it wasn't until 2019 that the next piece of the puzzle arrived. Comet Borisov, hailed as the first interstellar visitor confirmed beyond doubt. Borisov seemed to possess characteristics of both asteroids and comets, hurtling through space with a velocity that defied conventional understanding. But what truly set it apart was its unprecedented acceleration, a deviation from the expected gravitational pull of the solar system. Was this a harbinger of more to come, a precursor to a wave of celestial visitors, or a mere astronomical coincidence? Fast forward to July 2023, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, a titan of space exploration and discovery, published a revelation. They had officially christened the newcomer 3I Atlas, a name that carried with it the weight of anticipation and intrigue. But this was no ordinary designation. It was a marker of something profound, something that signaled the potential dawn of a new era in our understanding of the universe. Now that we've seen 3 interstellar objects, we realize that they don't resemble each other at all. Each one is unique and inexplicable. They travel at different speeds, exhibit varying compositions and trajectories. So it is evident that they are not related and that they didn't come from the same place. There's no link between them. But there is a connection. Their appearances aren't random. They are spreading out over time like beads on a string. The gap between their visits is decreasing, meaning they're coming more frequently, and they're all appearing closer to the sun than the previous one. It is as if the first object arrived to test the waters, and the latest one is here because the first 2 showed that this system is worth visiting. Now comes the question, why are they coming? If we zoom out and look at this from a broader perspective, it's clear that we've seen only the tip of the iceberg. The vast majority of interstellar objects are likely many light years away from us. And since light takes 500 years to reach us, we cannot see them. This means there is a good chance that there are interstellar objects close to us that we haven't discovered yet. The approaching interstellar object offers us a rare opportunity. It's close enough for us to study it. If we manage to decipher its secrets, we'll understand what the others are trying to tell us. Maybe it's a message, maybe a scout, or maybe the beginning of a wave. We don't know what to expect, but we can be sure that the silence won't last. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to observe 3I Atlas, scientists are eager to compare its traits to those of Muamua and Borisov. Understanding the nuances of these interstellar guests can offer invaluable insights by analyzing their composition, trajectory, and possible artificial features. We hope to uncover the true nature of these enigmatic visitors. While there's no definitive evidence to suggest they're extraterrestrial in origin, the increasing frequency and peculiarity of their appearances warrant serious investigation. And now there's something we have to consider. The sheer scale of the universe makes it virtually impossible to comprehend, let alone explore. We are but specks of dust on a tiny blue dot orbiting an average star. Our technology, while impressive, is still primitive in the grand scheme of things. Communication between star systems is currently beyond our reach. The distances are just too vast. However, with every new discovery, every new piece of data we gather, we inch closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. The interstellar objects are not just celestial wanderers. They are celestial ambassadors, carrying with them stories from distant corners of the universe. They are echoes from civilizations and epochs long past or possibly future. They are pieces of puzzles from galaxies unimaginably distant. All we need to do is listen closely enough. In the tapestry of the cosmos, we often find ourselves fixated on the familiar, the planets and stars that grace our night sky. Yet it is in the subtle variations, the anomalies that challenge our understanding, that the universe truly reveals its wonders. Like a seasoned detective examining a crime scene, scientists sift through data, searching for the anomaly, the deviation from the norm that hints at something extraordinary. And when they find it, it sends ripples through the scientific community, sparking intense debate and scrutiny. In the case of 3I Muamua, it's the unusual acceleration, the inexplicable deviation from the gravitational tango between celestial bodies. Comet Borisov adds another layer to this cosmic puzzle with its unconventional trajectory and unexpected behaviors. Now, as we turn our cosmic gaze towards 3I Atlas, the newest addition to our interstellar menagerie, it's the surface properties that send tremors of intrigue through the scientific world. If the universe is indeed a grand cosmic conversation, then these interstellar visitors are its most cryptic messages. It's up to us, the intrepid explorers of the unknown, to decode their whispers and unravel their secrets. Each observation, every analysis brings us a step closer to understanding the profound implications of their